Hi, I'm Keegan. Today in the shop we've got part 7 of our Honda CB175 project. Today is exciting because I'm going to try and start this bike for the first time. So the first thing I want to do is remove the spark plugs and see if they are still usable. And these things are stamped with made in Japan and they look like the originals. Not surprising since there is about 3,000 miles and change on this motor. For today's purposes, I'm using a battery out of one of my other motorcycles. I'll have to get one that actually fits inside this motorcycle soon. Alright, I'm just going to hit the starter and get the engine spinning with no compression and no spark, and hopefully try to lubricate some of the parts that haven't seen oil in a while. Alright, let's check for spark. I'm going to use this spark tester that I have. I got this from my buddy Backyard Don. He made it, and it's just a spark plug with an extended ground so that you can ground it to anything really and check for spark without having to touch the plug or hold on to the plug. You can see the wire just connects there, runs down to this spring clamp, and you can check spark. So let's check it out. Definitely has spark. Okay, moment of truth. We've got a little bit of fuel in the tank. I've got it on reserve because it's not enough fuel to get up to the standard inlet point. We've got fuel down to the carburetors. We know we have spark at the spark plugs. Check the oil. Fuel, spark, and air. That's all it should take. Give it a shot. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty happy about that.